Welcome. In this module, we'll walk through how you can integrate your TestComplete tests in any continuous integration tool using our command line interface, also known as our general approach. This flexible approach simply involves hosting your TestComplete tests in an accessible storage location, such as a network share or a source control repository. Then configure your orchestrator agent, such as a GitHub Action, GitLab, Bamboo, or Bitbucket pipeline to trigger and monitor the tests on your remote agent machines or virtual machines. To do this, search for the TestComplete command line documentation. We'll refer to this to perhaps construct a shell script, a batch file, or if you prefer, execute directly in your orchestrator YAML code. You can also find examples, which you can copy paste to your runner script or your YAML file. Here's an example of a runner script. We call the relevant tool installed on the machine to execute the tests, TestComplete or TestExecute. We specify the path to the .pgs project file. And if we want to run a specific project, test, or set of tests based on our project execution plan. I've also specified a location to save my MHT log file results, but also a JUnit report for my test management tool to consume. Finally, we exit. Thanks for watching.